I don't really have a script for today, but I do have some work. So I thought just have a little chat while I'm doing what I'm doing. I've got 2 orders for these ones. When I have my oldest daughter, she's now 4 years old, I started making these stroller mobiles, and then since I have had like a web shop where I've been selling them, but it's mainly been people that I've known or someone have bought it and then they've like talked about it to someone else and they buy it. So it haven't been a huge business, but it has been something that I've been doing on the side of things, and I've had orders coming in all the time during these 4 years, just like once in a while. I'm thinking of making a new stack for these till Easter, so because we're gonna have like a little bit of an open house kind of Easter market thing here. So basically what it is a fox, a badger, a hare, and a little bird called talgoxe. I don't know what it's called in English, but if you know, you know. Make these, I make a batch of foxes. I do have foxes here, and I do have 2 unfinished badgers, and I have 2 of the birds. Oh, I have another fox. So sometimes I get like custom orders for, I think I've had like lynx, is that what you call it? The cat with the things on the ears, but and also I had like single things. I thought I'd make some of those as well for the market. One time I sold one like just like this, like a car jewelry. I think that's a really good idea. Also, it would be fun to make some new things, maybe some birdies for spring to get like spring feeling, and then you can maybe have it also hanging like an Easter decoration. I'm really excited to like film a video from this desk because this was like my dream. If you haven't watched the renovation video of the studio, and you can also get like a studio tour, I'll link it up here in the corner and also in the description. So let's get started. If you haven't watched the renovation video of the studio, and you can also get like a studio tour, I'll link it up here in the corner and also in the description. So let's get started.
World had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
I think I need to go back home to feed my baby, take care of my family. I'm just gonna finish this ribbon. We did get a few hits, and at least I started some, so I'm gonna take this with me because sometimes I will be working from home just in the sofa, and I feel like I will. I always make tea, but it's always cold. when I bring this film.
What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.